What happens if you eat fennel seeds daily? Fennel seeds, known scientifically as Feniculum vulgar, are small, aromatic seeds that have been used for centuries as a spice and natural remedy. Popular in cuisines around the world and traditional medicine, fennel seeds are more than just a flavor enhancer, they are a powerhouse of health benefits. But what happens if you eat fennel seeds daily? Let's explore the myriad ways this humble seed can impact your health and well-being when consumed regularly. 1. Improved digestive health. One of the most notable benefits of fennel seeds is their ability to improve digestive health. They are rich in dietary fiber and compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragole, which have carminative properties. Relief from bloating and gas. Fennel seeds help relax the gastrointestinal muscles, reducing bloating and expelling gas. A daily dose of fennel seeds after meals can prevent discomfort and promote smoother digestion. Stimulates digestion. Fennel seeds stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and better nutrient absorption. Eases acid reflux. For those who suffer from heartburn or acid reflux, chewing fennel seeds can neutralize stomach acids and provide relief. 2. Enhance detoxification. Fennel seeds act as a natural detoxifier for the body. They contain antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and flush out toxins. Kidney support. Fennel seeds are diuretic in nature, which promotes urine production and helps the body expel waste more efficiently. Liver cleansing. Daily consumption can support liver health by enhancing its ability to process and eliminate toxins. Purifies the blood. The detoxifying properties of fennel seeds can help purify the blood, which in turn improves overall health. 3. Weight management. For those aiming to lose or maintain weight, fennel seeds can be an effective addition to the diet. Boosts metabolism. The essential oils in fennel seeds, such as anethole, stimulate metabolic activity, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. Suppresses appetite. Chewing fennel seeds curbs hunger pangs by promoting a feeling of fullness. This can prevent overeating and support weight management. Aids in fat breakdown. Regular consumption enhances digestion and fat breakdown, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Regulated blood sugar levels. Fennel seeds are particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions. Lowers blood sugar. Fennel seeds contain phytonutrients that help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Prevents sugar cravings. The natural sweetness of fennel seeds can satisfy sweet cravings without spiking blood sugar levels, making them an excellent alternative to sugary snacks. Promotes healthy glucose metabolism. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine can support stable energy levels throughout the day. 5. Hormonal balance. Fennel seeds have been traditionally used to address hormonal imbalances, especially in women. Menstrual health. The phytoestrogens in fennel seeds mimic estrogen, which can help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms like cramps and bloating. Eases menopause symptoms. For women going through menopause, fennel seeds may alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. Boosts lactation. Fennel seeds are a galactagogue, meaning they promote breast milk production in nursing mothers. 6. Improved cardiovascular health. Daily consumption of fennel seeds can contribute to better heart health in several ways. Lowers blood pressure. Fennel seeds are high in potassium, which helps relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Reduces cholesterol levels. The dietary fiber in fennel seeds binds to bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevents it from being absorbed, promoting healthier cholesterol levels. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants like quercetin protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, key contributors to heart disease. 7. Stronger immunity. Fennel seeds are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and various antioxidants that enhance immune function. Antimicrobial properties. Fennel seeds have natural antimicrobial effects, which can help combat infections and prevent illness. Anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption reduces chronic inflammation, strengthening the immune system. Respiratory health. The compounds in fennel seeds can alleviate respiratory issues like congestion and coughs, making them especially useful during cold seasons. 8. Better skin and hair health. The benefits of fennel seeds extend to external beauty as well. promoting healthier skin and hair. Glowing skin, antioxidants in fennel seeds combat free radicals that cause aging, helping maintain a youthful complexion. Reduces acne. The antimicrobial properties help prevent and treat acne by keeping skin clear of bacteria. Hair growth. Nutrients like iron, zinc, and selenium in fennel seeds promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Natural detox. By improving digestion and detoxification, fennel seeds can also help clear skin from within.